Hi, this is Sanan from FESQUARE. The topic for today is how to make millions and millions of rupees in the time of recession. I repeat, how to make millions and millions of rupees in the time of recession. This topic is going to be eye-opening to you because we have used this concept in the time of recession and we have made millions and millions of rupees in last crisis, 2008 crisis, and again in 2019 there's a recessionary kind of environment. There are global economic slowdown, and there's a stock market crashes, and the automobile industry in India, especially in India, is greatly getting crashed in sales, and lakhs and lakhs of people have lost their jobs in automobile and manufacturing sector. So that's a recessionary kind of environment in 2019. Again, because of this concept, because we know this concept, and because of this concept, we are making huge profit right from 2018 and 2019. Again, this recessionary kind of environment will continue for next couple of years, so we'll be still making huge profit because of this recessionary kind of environment by using the concept which I'm going to uncover to you in this video. So stay tuned, so stay brisk and stay happy to uncover this great concept of how to make crores and crores of rupees in the time of recession. Okay, let's quickly move into the topic of how to make millions and millions of rupees in the time of recession. So in every 10-year period, if you take from 2001 to 2010, or if you take from 2011 to 2020, in every 10-year period, there will be few years, 3 to 4 years, when the economy will be really going up, and there will be few years when the economy will be sluggish, and there will be few years when the economy will be really going down. So if we take any 10-year period from 1991 to 2000, or 2001 to 2010, or 2011 to 2020, 3 to 4 years the economy will go up, 3 to 4 years the economy will be sluggish, 3 to 4 years the economy will go down. So this is how the economy performs, and the history always repeats itself. So whenever the economy is really bad, when there's a recessionary kind of environment, previously we used to worry a lot, and because we are in multiple field as an entrepreneur, we are in multiple field. We are in gold, oil and textiles, and we also in consulting services and hospitality services. So whenever the economy is bad, we suffer from sales drop. Every month the sales begins to drop, so we used to worry a lot, and we wanted to find a way how to make money, or how to make millions of rupees in the time of recession. So we, after a lot of research, we came up with a super duper way to create a massive wealth in the time of recession. So now I'm going to uncover this secret to you, so be attentive, because no channel across India will let you know these many valuable information. So be very attentive to uncover this great secret. The secret is very simple. Sometimes I call it a secret, sometimes I call it a weapon. Whenever I give a speech about economy, I always uncover the secret to the people so that they can also make money in the time of recession. So be very attentive. The secret is very simple. Just invest in gold. I repeat, just invest in gold. That's it. The secret is done. So if you don't believe me, look at the graph. I'll put for you. So look at the graph. Look from 1973 till 2019, how much the gold price have increased over the years. In 1973, if you look at the data, 1 ounce of gold, that means 28.34 grams of gold, was just few hundreds of rupees. But now if you want to buy 1 ounce of gold, you have to spend more than 1 lakh of rupees to buy that 1 ounce or 28 grams of gold. So see how much the price have increased over the years. Look, especially at the time of recession, look from 2008, look at the data. In 2008, the 1 gram of gold, I'll put a chart for you. So 1 gram of gold was just 1250 rupees. That means 1250 rupees. In 2012, within 4 years of time from that 2008 recession, it was around 3100 rupees. That means the gold has increased 250 times in the last recession, last 2008 recession. the gold has increased 250 times. So if you have previously known this secret, and if you have invested in gold in 2001 or 2005 or 2006, then definitely you would have made a huge sum of money in last crisis, 2008 crisis. We have made a huge some amount of money in 2008 crisis. Again in 2019, there's a recessionary kind of environment. The automobile sector, especially in India, is greatly getting crashed in sales, and more than 2 lakhs of people have lost jobs in automobile and manufacturing sectors, and also many businesses are failing, and there are many bankruptcies. Even one of the biggest company in India, CCD, you know that, Cafe Coffee Day, or the founder of Cafe Coffee Day, even committed a suicide last month. It's very sad story for India. The economy is really bad. Not only in India, throughout the world, there's a global economic slowdown, and a recessionary kind of environment prevails. So from 2008 to 2019, now look at the graph from investing.com. Look how much the price have increased from 2008 to 2018 to 2019. In 2018, 1 gram of gold was around just 3,000 rupees, but now in 2019, if you look, the 1 gram of gold is around 3,600 to 3,700 rupees. That means almost 30% increase in last 1 year because of the recessionary kind of environment. Again in 2019, we are buying gold like anything. We are buying kgs and kgs of gold for our jewelry store. We are investing huge sum of money in gold, and we are reaping a huge profit because of this recessionary kind of environment. Now I'm not worrying about any recession or any global economic slowdown or global uncertainty or loss of jobs or big entrepreneurs are committing suicide. I don't care about anything, because I know this concept. Like, whenever lot of bad things happen in the world, it's a good time for gold. The gold will always increase when the economy collapses, or when the economy is going down, or the economy is suffering from recession. So if you know this simple concept, then definitely you'll also be able to make a huge sum of money in upcoming recessions. So as a dear subscriber of FESQUARE, I want you to take an action by investing a small amount of rupees in gold every month. Even if you invest just 5k or 5,000 to 10,000 rupees per month over a decade, over a period of 10 years, and definitely in the next recession, you will also be able to make a huge sum of money, and you don't need to care about your job or your salary hike or your promotion or your on-site opportunity in the time of recession. Or even if you lose your jobs, no need to worry about anything, because if you have gold in your hand, then definitely at the time of recession you will be able to make a huge sum of profit, and you can sell the gold, liquidate the gold, cash it out, and enjoy the money. So this is how we are doing, and we call gold as weapon, the number one weapon to make a huge sum of money in the time of recession. So please start investing in gold. Even if you start investing just few hundreds of rupees, then definitely it will help you over the period of 10 years. Whenever there's a recession, then definitely gold will come as a savior for you. So hope you like this video. I bet no channel across India will let you know these many valuable information. So keep watching FESQUARE. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Go and subscribe. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please watch my videos. I have made a super duper topics on why the gold price is increasing like hell, or how the black money is generated in India, how to make crores and crores of rupees in real estate and pay zero tax legally, and top 6 rules for real estate investing, stock market versus real estate. These are super duper topics, so please go and watch my previous videos, and please subscribe to my channel. No channel across India will give you this many valuable information on finance, investing, money management and economics. So thanks for watching. With this, signing off from me, Sanan from FESQUARE. See you in my next video. Until then, have a good care. Bye bye.